What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Katie. I just finished getting ready and doing my makeup. I didn't really get a chance to vlog this morning because for some reason I signed myself up for like a 9 a.m. workout class, and I like barely even dragged myself out of bed to get there, and I just like did not have the energy to even like pick up a camera and vlog it at that point. Honestly, it was a really intense class. I'm already like tired and sore from it, so I'm sure I'm definitely gonna be feeling it tomorrow. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of just what I've been up to today. I actually just DoorDashed some lunch, so that should be getting here in a few minutes. But before we hop into the video, this video is in partnership with Nasty Gal, and I actually have a quick little haul for you guys. So I'll show you guys everything that I got there, and then we'll get into the rest of the video. Okay, so these are the first two pieces I wanted to show you guys. So this first one is this really cute, like long sleeve turtleneck sweater. It does have like a pretty thick neck, but you can always like fold that down again if you didn't really want like a really high turtleneck. I personally love them. I think they look so cute. And then it has these like really big fun sleeves that are kind of just like folded over. It is just like a normal length sweater. I just bra tucked mine, but if you were to untuck it, it would be just about this long. I personally really like bra tucking things, especially if I'm wearing it with something more high-waisted like this leather skirt. But yeah, it's a really comfy sweater. It's like not itchy at all. It's really comfortable and really nice and warm. And then the next piece is this leather skirt, and I love leather skirts, especially pairing them with like sweaters. I think they are just such a great piece to add in to your closet, whether you wear them during the summertime, fall, winter. There's so many ways that you can style these. One thing I will say with this skirt is that if you guys are like me and you're more either like hourglass or like pear-shaped and you have a smaller waist, this skirt might not fit you guys that well. If you're a little bit more straight, then this would be such a great option. But for me, this one is like really pretty big. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it has a lot of room on the waist and kind of just like hangs, and would almost need to be like 2 sizes smaller to fit my waist. With that being said though, I know I've told you guys this before, my waist is a lot smaller than my hips and butt are, and I have almost like a 20-inch difference between my waist and my butt. So it's not uncommon for things to fit me like this. Pretty much everything fits me kind of like that. So if you guys don't have that issue and you're a little bit more straight and you're not super curvy, then this skirt would be so perfect. And then I just have it paired with these boots, and I am obsessed with these. This is just kind of what they look like a little bit more up close, but I love them because they have a super chunky heel, and I'm honestly not the best at walking in heels, so I love these because it's such a nice like thick heel. So they're super comfortable. These are definitely such a great option for like some nice heeled black booties for the winter and fall. Okay, this next one that I have is another sweater. This one is so comfortable. It's like a really nice soft knit material. This one also has like a nice pretty high turtleneck, so it keeps you nice and warm. The material is really great. This one is not as heavy as the black one, but it's still really warm and super cozy. So this one is a little bit longer. This is about how long it is if you didn't want to tuck it or anything. And then it does just go like a little bit longer in the back, but I definitely feel like a nice like cozy, warm gray knit sweater is such a staple to have in your wardrobe for the winter time. Like I said, again, such a great layering piece. You can style these just so many ways. And then the next thing that I got are these little check pants, and I love the style of them. I love the way they fit. They're like nice and tight around your waist, and then they go all the way down, just kind of like a skinny pant. I love pants like these to pair them with something like a black sweater, or you could do like a black bodysuit. You can even do like a white sweater or white bodysuit. There's so many ways to wear these, and I love pants like this that are just like super movable and comfy, and it honestly kind of feels like you're wearing like leggings slash sweats. Fit really well and are super flattering. Okay, the next thing that I got is actually this little bag. I love the look of it. It just has a nice little thin black strap, and I think it is just such a fun and cute, interesting, different purse. So I grabbed one of those, and then I also picked up some of these boots. I love these because they kind of are like a dupe for the Prada ones, but these are so comfy. They're super cute. I love the height on the heel and kind of like where it hits you on your ankle. But yeah, these are so cute, so comfy, and I've been wearing these nonstop, hence why they already have scuff marks, because I've been already getting so much use out of them. So if you guys are interested in any of these pieces, I will have everything linked down below so you guys can go check those out. I'll also pop my discount code up here on the screen for you guys if you want to go ahead and use that when you check out. And thank you again to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. Okay guys, my DoorDash just got here, so I'm gonna go ahead and let the puppies back in. Okay, come on puppies. Okay, so I just got a Greek salad from this place called Zoe's Kitchen, and then I just added on some roasted chickpeas. Zoe's Kitchen has some of my absolute favorite meals. It's really easy to like customize it to make it vegan. It's like a Greek place. And also, fun fact, it was actually my very first job whenever I was 16, so Zoe's Kitchen holds like a little special place in my heart, and their food is amazing. So I don't know about you guys, but the last like, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 weeks have just been insane and such like an emotional roller coaster. And for me personally, whenever things I feel like just get kind of crazy in life, it makes me really just fall off my routine. Like I just told you guys, like I haven't been grocery shopping. I have nothing in my house. I've been door dashing like almost every day for the past like a week and a half. And today was my first workout in I don't even know how many weeks. It's just one of those things where I feel like stress just kind of like messes up my whole like routine that I have. But I realized today as I was laying in bed contemplating if I actually just wanted to cancel my 9 a.m. class, that like regardless of like stress or, you know, external circumstances or like whatever is going on in the world, I feel like we still always have that choice to either choose something to better ourselves or choose something to give into our lazy habits and to hold us back and not help us grow as a person or help us like take care of our health or help us take care of our mental health, whatever it may be. And so that realization kind of just hit me this morning that I was like, okay, well, I can either stay home and I'm not going to work out today and then I'm probably not going to be motivated to work out any other time, or I can go even though I don't really want to and I'd rather just like stay in bed and I can get a good workout in, I can push myself, I can challenge myself, and I'm doing something that is good for my body, it's good for my mental health, it's good for my own well-being, and it's something that I'll feel proud of myself afterwards. So obviously I ended up going and I'm definitely so glad that I went. Don't get me wrong, my body is like in shambles right now because the class was pretty much like a full leg and booty workout. And so anything that requires me to use my leg muscles is really challenging right now. I was dying during the class, but I feel good. I'm really proud of myself for being disciplined in the moment to choose something that is going to like benefit myself and really just making the choice to replace motivation with discipline. And I feel like sitting here like talking and not even eating my salad. I feel like so much lately I've just been making the choice to be lazy, to, you know, like not get ready or not push myself or to not eat healthy or to not make the extra effort to go grocery shopping and to meal prep or to not work out. And I do all of those things and then I'm confused why, you know, maybe I don't have energy. I'm not as like happy as I was. And it definitely like working out and taking care of yourself is so important, not even just for like your physical health or looking good, but it is so important for your mental health. Okay, pep talk interrupted because Harper is once again trying to eat my Christmas tree. My point was saying all of this is that I feel like a lot of you guys are in the same boat, that we're all kind of like, it's a harder year to be disciplined this year for sure. 2020, it's been a really hard year to basically like get your ish together, right? So my goal for today is really just to get my life back on track. That's why I'm eating a salad instead of all of the other junk food that I would rather be eating right now. But my focus is really on the fact that discipline is a form of self-care, and if you're not being disciplined with your lifestyle and what you're doing for your own mental well-being, then you're not going to be at your full potential. So anyways, but I kind of just wanted to share that with you guys, so that if any of you guys are feeling the same, just know that A, you're not alone, B, not everyone on social media has their life together. I know I most certainly do not. And I kind of wanted to show you guys today what I'm going to be doing to kind of like get my life back on track and get back in the groove of everything. Harper! Oh my gosh, she just knocked off an ornament. So while I eat my salad, I'm going to just work on my Christmas decor vlog. I have my Christmas tree up and everything like that. I show you guys like how I decorate it in this video, which this video will be up. Oh, how cute is she? This video will be up before this one that I am filming right now. But so I'm gonna kind of work on this and try to just get a little bit of work knocked out.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we...
Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do before I kind of like get started on my whole like getting back on track thing is I'm gonna write down like all of my priorities, my needs, my wants. This little notepad actually is from a thing called the Paper and Plan Co. And they have like so much cute stationery. Like I have a bunch over here. So definitely go check them out if you guys are needing some good like little office supply type things. Okay, so priority wise, I really need to clean my house. I need to do laundry. I need to, what else do I need to do? Oh, I need to make a meal plan for the week of what I'm gonna be eating. Tomorrow's Friday, so my friend Megan is gonna be coming over and we're gonna go grocery shopping together and everything like that. So I'll vlog that for you guys and show you guys what all I get from the store. But tonight I probably need to figure out what meals I wanna make for the week and then kind of like get a good like grocery list going. Okay, so I need to do that. And then I also need to exercise the puppies. Gotta get their energies out. Okay. What else do I need to do? Okay, got my list of things I need to do. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is switch over my laundry because I need to get that started. That way I can like have loads washing kind of while I'm like doing everything else. To go do some laundry. You guys know how much I like absolutely hate laundry. It is the bane of my existence and I will just never enjoy laundry ever.
We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
Okay guys, laundry is done and put away and I have a new load in. I also made myself a cup of coffee. That workout class this morning just like really took it out of me. I have just about zero motivation to do anything right now and I'm really tired. So I guess I'm getting some practice on replacing motivation with discipline right now because honestly all I want to do is just like sit on the couch and watch Gilmore Girls and do absolutely nothing right now. Anyways, but the next thing that I want to do is my meal plan for the week. Write out like what I'm going to be having for each of those meals and doing that is so much easier than being like, oh, I think I'm going to make like this week and then this week, or like writing down like random ingredients or like foods on your grocery list. I feel like it really helps if you have like a solidified plan of for breakfast I'm gonna be eating this or this, and then for lunch I'm gonna be eating this, for dinner this. I don't know why, but that just really like helps me and works super well for me. So that's literally all I do to plan out my meals. It's seriously the most simple thing, just to take like 2 to 3 minutes and just think about like what you want for the rest of the week. And then that way you know exactly what to buy for, and you know that you don't need to buy like a bunch of like random stuff outside of these meals because you know you have all of your meals covered. So that's definitely something that helps me so much with not buying like bad food for the house or buying like a bunch of snacks, because I know that I have all of my meals. I'm gonna get plenty full at these meals and I don't need to be buying like a bunch of junk or chips or like candy or anything like that. I know that I'll be covered for my meals. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning.
Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
finished cleaning the house. I think now I'm gonna go ahead and just take the dogs on a little walk. You're so excited. Okay, come on.
It's the same old story being told inside my head.
Okay, for dinner, I'm just gonna have the rest of my salad. I didn't eat the whole thing because there is just like so much of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just have this. I'm like not like super hungry. I'm really snacky, but I'm not really like hungry for like a heavy meal. I feel like a salad just kind of sounds nice. And then I'm also gonna add on some of these vegan feta crumbles. It is a Greek salad and typically it does come with feta on there. But I had them obviously take like the feta with dairy in it off. And then I just figured I'd put on my own. Like, yum. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, guys, it's about 8:30 right now. I finished cleaning the house and I'm gonna go ahead and have a little nice relaxing night. So to take off my makeup, I'm gonna be using the Versed Cleansing Balm again. It's like a really nice like balm texture, so it's not like oil is dripping all over your face. And it smells like eucalyptus, so I feel like it's just really nice and honestly smells like a spa. So I am obsessed with this stuff. It works so well.
Try to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tell